PARASIM is a virtual reality training simulator that is primarily for military training purposes. You wear a virtual reality headset which gives you an immersive 3D experience, and you handle actual controls that let you steer a canopy from exit to the safe landing on the ground.
The history of PARASIM was originally developed for use for the Forest Service so that they could help their smoke jumpers in identifying emergencies in their chutes. All of the models, the chute models, are physics-based. So as you see the chute and how it reacts both to the weight of the jumper, all the atmospheric conditions are exactly how they would react in real life.
The primary benefits of PARASIM are that it allows you to practice what's inherently a dangerous activity in a safe, repeatable fashion on the ground, so that situations that you wouldn't necessarily be able to replicate in the air can be safely produced on the ground and prepared for.
And also to be able to have a pre-mission planner to totally view a jump zone that they're going to be going into prior to the actual jump.
I've had the opportunity to look at other systems on the market today, and I have to say that I believe this to be the best one that I've seen.
The benefits of networking the different parachute simulators between each other is that it allows team training.
So you can, for example, have a group of 5 or 6 guys, or even more, perhaps as many as a dozen, that are going to be jumping into the same situation. There will be a leader. They need to know to look for the leader, to follow the leader, to avoid colliding with one another, and to group up and land safely at the target all together. And this enhances both their preparation and their mission effectiveness. With PARASIM, we can replicate a canopy emergency, a malformed canopy, or even a canopy that doesn't open. And the jumper can look up and see, hey, I have a bad canopy, or I don't have a canopy at all, and has to recognize what the situation is and what they have to do about it in a real-time environment.
Think about it from a safety standpoint. If I know there's going to be other people under canopy near or close proximity to me, I can't fly into them. So having them linked together also gives that realistic viewpoint of I'm flying close, but I can't fly closer than about 50 feet to that other guy.
The program we used to create PARASIM is called 3ds Max. It's the same software that's used by entertainment industries that create Hollywood blockbusters.
PARASIM uses multi-core CPUs to produce realistic, immersive scenes. Flight dynamics, finite state machines, animation blend trees, high dynamic range rendering, and post-processing. This makes it real.
But in my opinion, it's not the software that gives a program its value. It's the people behind the software. And I believe that's what makes PARASIM so special.